Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how automated recon using Nuclei. Okay, Nuclei is a very good tool for the fresh targets and we need to modify the most scripts to find some juicy information. Okay, so if you run the default templates you will end up with the low vulnerabilities or informative bugs. So let's get started. Let's start it with installation first. So you can also install using this below Go language. If you have already installed, you can type the below command. So if you want to try with from the GitHub, you can also use the following commands. Like we're using the git clone and we're cloning the repository and we're going to build it and we're going to move into the user/local/bin to run anywhere from the terminal. Okay, so if you do this, you can install the templates, and once it's done, you need to update the templates by this following command. You need to update the templates. So first, see what exactly Nuclei is going to Nuclei templates or Nuclei templates have. So let's see what exactly it's going to do. So let's go to the fuzzing and let's go to the directory travel cell. So in this case, let me choose the target as facebook.com. So the base URL is nothing but the facebook.com, and it's going to check for //etc/PISSW. In simple terms, it's going to check for like this. Okay, so now it's going to check only these payloads. So if you want to get some more you want to scan more things, you want to design this template, like you can add many payloads here. Okay, so in the response it's going to check for 200 and it's going to check for keyword root. Okay, if it is matches, then only it's going to show it as a vulnerability in the response. So now let's see one more template, arbitrary file read. So in this case, the base URL is nothing but our target URL as facebook.com, and it's going to do this one. It's going to pass the payload like this, simple terms. So in this case as well, it's going to check only for these 6 payloads. You can add your own list here. So it's going to check for status is 200 or not, and it's going to check for whether there is a keyword is present or not, root keyword is present or not. So let's see for CVEs what exactly it's doing. So there are like CVEs from 2005 to 2021. So let's see a basic example of CVE. So what exactly it's going to do is the same. So the base URL followed by the name and followed by the path. So it will be like this. Okay, and it will be going to check for 200 status okay on domino username in the response. Then only it's going to show it as a vulnerability. Okay, now let's get started using Kali Linux machine. So the first one, I want to scan only a specific template. Means I want to only scan a CVEs because there are many templates in the Nuclei. So for example, it will hunt for CVEs, it will hunt for default logins, it will hunt for DNS, exposure panels, fuzzing, vulnerabilities, technologies used, network misconfigurations, etc. Okay, so now I'm going to only scan for CVEs. Then we can use the below command. So if you're going to run from the root, then you can also directly type this command. So currently I'm on desktop folder, so I'm going to use this command. So in this case, what exactly we are calling is nothing but, so we're telling that Nuclei and the target is the facebook.com, and use the templates from the path, and I want to scan only the CVEs, and I'm going to write the output in the desktop/fbcvs.txt. okay, and click on enter. So now it's going to scan for all the CVEs. So if it is vulnerable, then you can show it will be shown in the terminal, or you can also check in the txt file which we have saved. Okay, so now the second one is I want to scan everything on a single target. Okay, I want to scan everything, like I want to do fuzzing, I want to do like CVEs, I want to hunt for default logins, DNS, exposed panels, vulnerabilities. Then in this case you can use this second command. So Nuclei followed by the target followed by the URL -t, and we're not going to specify any target. By default it's going to check for all the templates which were included in the Nuclei. So you can also save the output as I shown. So like I want to, like we can write like output on root/desktop/ let me add some random.txt. Okay, so going to save all, it's going to test all the templates which were in the nuclei, and the output will be written in the text file, or you can also see in the terminal. So now I want to mass infer all the domains and subdomains. So I already enumerated few domains for Twitter. Let's see what it consists of. Okay, so these are all the subdomains, domain and the main domain and the subdomains of the Twitter. So now I want to mass infer it. So you can use this below command, or else you can also add, like, you can also use this command, like urls.txt. Okay, -l and followed by the urls.txt, whatever it might be. Okay, so now I'm going to use the above command already mentioned, and I'm going to write the output on same, like I want to write that same output on desktop. So desktop slash, I want to write as Twitter bugs.txt, and it's going to check all the subdomains. Oh my bad, so something has been wrong. Okay, so okay, so it's like Twitter sub.txt. Okay, so I just gave a wrong name here, so it's Twitter sub.txt. So now it's going to scan everything, like on every subdomain, for all the vulnerabilities, all the templates, and it's going to store the output on twittervlan.txt. Okay, okay guys, thank you so much.